Okay, doing another unboxing. And this is from Bristol and Sussex. And I'm just gonna dive into this because I'm so excited that they were able to send this so fast. And I just love opening boxes and getting packages, and this is just like one of my favorite things. Use first thing in the morning and first thing when you get home at the end of the day. This removes environmental pollutants that have accumulated on your face. You can also use it before bed. Cool. Hi Cassandra, we hope you enjoyed this set as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Yours in health, Bradley and Solar. Cool, thanks for the note. So this is how it looks. And it just has their little Bristol and Sussex sticker. And, ooh, I get a little makeup bag that says Bristol and Sussex. How cute! And it looks like, Obi's playing right now. This is organic konjac fiber root organic bamboo charcoal. So this is one of those little sponges that you get wet and then it becomes soft, and you could use this to wash. Love this. Love the packaging as well. And then this is the second thing in the box. Looks like candy wrapped up. This is the Deep Conditioning Facial Oil, vitamin C and E. Gorgeous. Hydrate. I just love face oils. Like I wear them. I'm wearing one right now. I love them. Ooh, it smells nice. Nice and. Ooh, I just love oils. All right, let's keep it going. So this one has aloe vera as the first ingredient. This is the pH and oil balancing facial moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, B, E. Vegan, all natural, silicone free, gluten free, paraben free, cruelty free, and made in the US, so it's sustainable. And this will last you about 12 months after you open it. They're in San Diego, so this is very sustainable for me as I'm in California as well, in terms of like shipping and things like that, which I love. And this is a beautiful little bottle. It's very nice feeling. Can you guys see that? How do you do this thing? I don't know, but there you go. So that's cool. And then let's open this and see. There's probably just some stuffing. Yes, just some stuffing in here. Super cool. Love this bag. It feels really luxe. And we got one more goodie in here. So I got a lot of black and white package paper. And this last one is, Obi is very excited, huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? No? Do you want to go see Dad else at work? Yeah, we're gonna go see Dad and get some foodums. She just had dinner, but she can read. Cleanser, yay! Hypoallergenic facial cleanser. Super excited for this, that it's not in glass, so that I can put it in my shower and not have to worry about it falling. I have another cleanser in there right now that's glass. So again, this is hypoallergenic facial cleanser and really cool little bottle. And the first ingredient again is the aloe vera leaf juice, something derived from coconut, radish root, vitamin B, C, and 3. I mean, it's just all real good stuff. The last ingredient is citric acid from cane sugar. And I just love this brand so much. I can't wait to try all of these on a regular basis and give you guys an update, and also bring these guys on the podcast. Super excited to try the oil and the cleanser and also the sponge. And I'm glad I got like their whole line to really give it a go and try. So thanks to Bristol and Sussex, and we'll see you soon. If you have not yet followed me on Instagram, go ahead and do that at Cassandra McClure. You can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all the other platforms, but I'm most primarily on Instagram. And now I have my Clean Beauty podcast, so make sure to go find them on Instagram too. And on iTunes, review, rate, subscribe, and make sure that you tune in every week to hear amazing, clean, and sustainable beauties come talk to me about what they're doing in the world. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.